Naisundan ng ating susunod na talentado ang yapak ng kanyang ama kahit medyo iba ang kanilang ginagawa. Alamin natin ang kanyang kwento.
Ang talent ko po is puppeting or I'm a puppeteer po. So, different po nito or ang difference po nito from my dad. My dad po kasi is a ventriloquist. Masarap po yung pakiramdam, lalo na po yung nanalo po yung dad ko as a Hall of Fame po dito sa Talentadong Pinoy. Tapos, pag nakikita po ako ng mga taong may puppet, lagi po natatanong, kaya lang ba si Wando? Siyempre, proud naman po ako. Daddy ko yun eh. Marami pa po akong kakainin bigas para maabot ng daddy ko, but I'll try my best po.
Stringing life into our lives, here's John Martin Lunaria, or simply Martin. John Martin Lunaria. Martin, makikipagkwentuhan tayo sa ating talent scouts. Okay, Rufa, what do you think?
Hello! Actually, mataas ang expectation namin sa'yo dahil anak ka ni Juan Lu, na isa sa mga paborito namin, syempre, nung nakaraan Talentadong Pinoy. And hindi mo ako din-disappoint. Nag-enjoy ako sa performance ni Michael Jackson and hindi ko napansin na nandiyan ka. Kasi my eyes were focused on the puppet. I like the way that you held, you know, yung pagbabalance niya at yung performance ni puppet Michael Jackson na gustuhan ko. Especially yung pagsuswing niya ng kanyang hips. Nalaloka ako, pero ang galing niya talaga. So, mabuhay ka. I like it.
Thank you very much, Rufa. Erwin.
The hand coordination is very good. And they said nga daw if you're a marionette, a puppeteer, it's really a talent. So, awesome.
Thank you very much, Erwin. And Tuesday.
Yan, yung pinakita mo sa aming talent, isa yan sa mga pinaka-unang pang-entertain, mga hari at reyna ang nag-enjoy dyan nung unang panahon. Pero kahit i-transpose mo yan ngayon sa ating generation, super na-entertain pa rin kami lahat sa ginawa mo. So good job, and I bet your dad is very, very proud of you dahil hanggang sa dulo, kahit ngayong kinakausap ka namin, pinapa-acting mo yung puppet mo hanggang pagbaba, pinalakad mo siya. Para ba siyang tao para sa'yo? Ganon yung relationship nyo. I could see the passion underneath the talent. Meron ka talagang driving force to win big in this contest. So, I think you'll go a long way. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Tuesday. Next, Joey.
Martin, it must be so hard to be the son of Juan Lu, di ba? Pero maganda na lang because the art of ventriloquism is very different from the art of, puppeteering, di ba? So kami napansin ako, hindi siya kamukha ni Michael Jackson, kamukha mo siya. Di ba? Magkamukha sila. But it's really, di ba? Okay. I mean, but it's really very difficult and you did justice to it. Of course, usually mga puppeteers, they come as a troupe. Isang tropa sila to come up with performances, hindi ba? In order to come up with plays and all the likes. But then, doing a solo act, puppeteering, you did quite a job. And I'm sure, as they all said, your dad must be very proud of you.
Thank you very much, Joey. Thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Kung natuwa kayo sa ipinamalas na galing ni Martin, text TV4 and send to 2256. Text na at makasakali, kayo makakuha ng 20,000 pesos. Martin, maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you.